Right, well that's the bike all loaded up for a test run. Basically what I have. The bike itself is a 2015 Jamis Aurora Elite. Had it a few years, mainly used it for commuting and weekend rides. Start with the main luggage, the panniers on the back, hotline panniers. In one I've got camp related stuff, so sleeping bag, roll mat, clothes, wash bag. In the other I've got more journey and route related stuff that I might need during the day. So tools are in there, food, change of clothing, a down jacket, that sort of thing. Obviously the tent, a Vango Banshee 1/2 man tent, weighs about 2 kilos. I've used it a lot for motorbike touring before, and I think once or twice on the push bikes. And moving to the front, more recent addition is the handlebar bag, and that's quickly removable, so I can keep essentials in there that are easy to access, various bits and bobs. So apart from that, the bike's fairly stock as I use it in commuting form. Get my dynamo lights on there. I've got a hub dynamo, lights and a pump, which I wouldn't normally keep on the side of the frame, but easy access. This one's got a gauge on it as well, saves space in the panniers. Hopefully it won't rattle too much. What do I have packed? If we take off the first pannier, try and do this one-handed. So this pannier is stuff I may need on the road as opposed to in the camp. So I have a down jacket, packs very small, very warm, great for camp at night time or stops. Here I have a collection of food, various bits and bobs in there. I'm not cooking on this trip, so I haven't taken a camping stove with me. Main meals will be, hopefully, roadside bars. But breakfast, muesli and that sort of thing, snacks are covered in there. Beyond that, it's your normal cycling things you might take commuting. Looking down into the pannier itself, you can see I have a waterproof jacket, small cycle lock, toolkit, fairly extensive toolkit for this trip, and a few extra bits and bobs. I'm diabetic, so spare insulin and Skittles in case of low blood sugar. Also, I guess this isn't necessary for the road, but concession to luxury, 1 flask of whiskey. Not normally part of my commuting luggage, it must be said. So I'll bung this back in here quickly and look at the other pannier. So my other pannier is predominantly campsite related items. Which means, first off, spare clothing. I'm travelling fairly light, so spare clothing comprises of a spare top, spare inner cycling shorts, a t-shirt for evening wear, and spare socks. Then I have a wash kit here, so a microfiber towel and toilet bag. And then really it's just camping essentials. So, one air mattress, which I've used before, motorbike touring in Germany, and very effective, very comfortable. And a new addition, a cheap but hopefully effective enough Eurohike down sleeping bag. Yep, that is pretty much it for that. All packs in fairly light and quite compact. I will say one of the secrets of the toilet bag, in case I am wild camping, every cyclist friend, baby wipes. So finally we have the front handlebar bag. I've actually fitted a trip computer on this occasion as well. Since I'm camping, don't know when I'll be charging up the phone, so no use using things like Strava to record my mileage. So back to basics. I've got a wired trip computer. It's got to be wired because wireless seem to pick up interference from my dynamo hub and don't work. So, handlebar bag. Don't know if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Quick release, and these are items I won't want to leave on the bike. Can go in there so I can take them with me. Map of the route on the front, on the top rather. More jelly beans and that sort of thing, and my trusty Leatherman tool in there. Turn around, I have, living in the modern age, that's a USB charging cable and mains port in the side pocket for easy access. Charge my phone up when I can get access to it. Cereal bars, mini Mars bars inside. And in the main compartment, I have a backup power supply, insulin, as mentioned. I'm type 1 diabetic, which is what this is as well, blood sugar test strip, Kindle, another concession to luxury, books to read, spare glasses, as in cycling glasses, and a torch. So not a great deal in there. My wallet will also go in there as well, and that's about it.